The ECOVACS DEEBOT T30e Omni is designed for people who want a robot vacuum and mop that can handle more of the routine cleaning with less manual maintenance. Its standout feature is 25,000 PA suction power, giving the T30e Omni a strong focus on picking up everyday dirt and debris. For homes with pets, the Zero Tangle 3 system is especially relevant because it is designed to help deal with hair and reduce tangling around the brush, making the cleaning process more practical for pet-heavy environments. Mopping is another major part of the system. Rather than requiring the mop to be cleaned manually after every session, the T30e Omni includes automatic mop washing and hot air drying. This is useful because mop maintenance can otherwise become one of the less convenient parts of owning a robot vacuum. Automated washing helps keep the mop ready for the next cleaning cycle, while hot air drying is intended to improve the drying process between uses. The combination of vacuuming and mopping makes this model suited to households looking for a more comprehensive floor cleaning setup rather than a vacuum-only robot. The high suction rating is one of its main strengths, while Zero Tangle 3 adds a practical benefit for homes where pet hair is a regular concern. At the same time, buyers should keep expectations realistic. Features such as automatic mop washing, hot air drying, and a high suction rating make the T30e Omni a more feature-focused cleaning system, but the supplied information does not provide specific cleaning test results. Battery runtime, navigation details, noise levels, or obstacle avoidance performance. Those areas may matter depending on the size and layout of the home. Overall, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30e Omni stands out for combining powerful 25,000 PA suction with automated mop care and Zero Tangle 3. It is particularly worth considering for households that want strong vacuuming capability alongside a more hands-off approach to mop maintenance, especially where pet hair is part of the everyday cleaning challenge.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.